Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily contact the group owner in Google Groups. Let's begin. So first, go ahead and access Google Groups. Once you're here, click on My Groups, then left click on that specific group you would like to work with. So left click, in the left panel, you will notice this section, About. Click on it. And from here, you will see all of the information provided, the owner of the group, the date on which you joined this group, the number or total number of members. You can also click over here if you would like to leave this group. So what you need to do next is click over here, contact owners and managers. It will pop up a chat window in here. You can absolutely include a subject and the body of the message. So this will send a personal message directly to the owner or the managers of this group. So once you have completed your message, go ahead, click on the send button over here. Or if you would like to cancel, just click on this button, delete direct message. But basically, that's how you can easily get this done and contact the owners of a specific group here in Google. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.